So guys, we have the classic 350, the latest version, and the Meteor 350, the bike which I tested in my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched this review, do go to the description box down below. I will provide the link of the complete review of the Meteor 350. You can go and have a look at the entire video. So now I had an idea to just compare the exhaust back to back. So let's hear it. Sumit, can you please crank up? Sumit, please crank up the classic first. Definitely the bassy and purposeful. Now the Meteor. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below which one did you like, the Meteor 350 or the classic 350. Which exhaust note did move your soul?